What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. I'm in a new Airbnb. If you want to see, every month I switch Airbnbs. I'm always traveling. Follow me on Instagram. It's JAXX_IGC. If you want to keep up with my personal life, I like to post stories and stuff like that. So, good early afternoon from Johannesburg, South Africa, my favorite country in the entire world. People always ask me why I love being here. 70% cheaper rent, food, very, very modern, just as modern as the West. Quality of life is really high. Women, if you're into women that are, got the curves and like 200x more traditional than women in the West, cook you 3 meals a day with a smile. Yeah, Africa is the place. I've been to many countries in Africa, and I've traveled all over the world, and maybe it's just because of what I like my type. There is no continent on this planet, like I know people will say South America, but I'm going with Africa for the beauty of women. This continent is crazy. Anyways, that's not important. You guys are here for Gala Games. Currently, we're sitting at 0.0599. After getting my rant out yesterday, I feel much better. I feel like a burden has been lifted from my shoulders from Saturday's Gala Games video. So, we perfectly hit our target. We're seeing a pullback. We're seeing at 0.0076, up 6.11 on the day. Market cap 2.24 billion. Just hit another take profit on one of our trades. 24-hour volume, 1.49 billion. Guys, my trade signals are free. We just hit a short XLM. These are really quick trades. Floki, we just hit take profit. We've been hitting take profits all morning long. If I show you guys last week, just bear with me. My last week, I do weekly results. 13 wins, 2 losses. I'm trading crypto all the time, every single day. There's going to be way more trades at the end of this week. It's free, guys. You can gain access at the end of the video. So, Gala Games perfectly hit our target of 0.08 in a wave 3, which was the 1.618 target. Just have to close my Scotch RSI. Strong sell. Okay, let me quickly look at this. Because I might give a signal depending on if it meets my criteria. I'll let it load up here. So, potentially wave 3 to the upside, looking for an ABC correction down in a wave 4. It can push up from here, but it does look like it might come down and break that low. Pull back in a 4 in between 0.0746 and about, let me just mark it. I like to mark it with, they're both for algo. I like to mark it with my targets, so it makes it easier and more visible for you guys. 0.074, 0.060 in a wave 4, and then push up in a wave 5. So what you'd be looking at, trend-based extension from the top of 2, from the bottom of 2 to the top of 3. If we push up from here, you would target the 618, which is coming in at 10 cents, 0.1049. So we would knock off a 0, which would be very exciting. Can overextend 0.11322. Would be your next target. Being a crypto YouTuber and having dyslexia, it's tough. It's a tough racket. So that's what I'm looking at. Let me quickly look at algo, see what's going on. No, it's not. Oh, is it? No, I don't think so. This will just take a quick second, guys. So not quite what I'm looking for a trade signal. All right, guys, so that's what I'm looking at for Gala for that wave 4 pullback. If we look at our next chart, which is here, wow, my laptop is super lagging because I have too many windows open. I don't know what it is with MacBook Pro, but when you start screen recording, it's just goes into constipation mode. So I don't even want this chart. Let me load this one up quickly. So here's just a quick look of the daily chart. You can see we're pushing up. That doesn't have any drawings or markings on it. We're pushing up into this resistance zone here. So that makes sense that we're right now finding resistance, pulling back in that wave 4, and we're very overextended. When you're in a bull market, you're going to be very overextended from the daily EMAs, from the weekly EMAs. It's very normal. But as we can see on the weekly, where's the 20? Very juicy. We're going to have over the next few weeks or the month or so, we're going to have the bullish cross of the 20 over the 55 EMA. And that's pretty much, what does Coins Kid say? I haven't watched him in a long time. Buy and go to the beach signal means like buy when you see the bullish cross on the weekly And don't sell until you get close to the bearish cross. Basically hold for the whole bull market. That's a little signal he likes to use. Shout out to CoinsKid. I haven't watched him in probably like a year, but seems like a cool guy. Anyways, that's what I'm looking at. I do think you could put in a little ABC, potentially down to about 0.067, and then bounce back to the upside. But of course, Gala can just continue to pump. And I gave you that target in between 10 and 11 cents for the wave 5. All right, guys, we're crushing in the Discord every single day with trading. If you want completely free access, all you have to do is sign up to BTCC. No KYC, no VPN all around the world. 10% back on your fees. I'm also trading on MEXC. So you can sign up to either exchange, but this one is no VPN, no KYC, all around the world, including North America. So, and then just email me. You make your first deposit. Can be $10, $100, doesn't matter. I don't need your money. Just want to help you reach financial freedom. But I do make a commission off your fees. Completely free access to my VIP rooms. This was last week, and already I've given so many signals, just signals. So I'm just here trading, melting my brain all the time. Making juicy gains. So yeah, you can sign up through BTCC and then just send me email or MEXC. I do a lot of trading on MEXC. It has more trading pairs. And not only my crypto trades, but my daily crypto analysis, my crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here. As you can see, they're crushing it. Mate, look at this, $891 on one of my signals. Another one of my signals, $602. You can see these guys crushing it. This is way too high leverage, 125. Look at this. In the last 30 days, with my signals, he made 28K. In the last 7 days, he made $17,000. Absolutely insane. Shout out to you, James. My middle name is James, so maybe that's why you're doing so well. All right, smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.